Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Miss Keita. Today we are making shrimp Creole. And if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep watching. Doing the shrimp Creole that I got off of a fellow YouTuber's page, and it's smoking and grilling with AB. If you are not subscribed to his page, I promise you, you need to do it, because he is getting me my life during this Corona season, trying to cook up something different, because otherwise we'd be eating the same thing every day. But let's get on to the video. So you saw all the ingredients that I'm going to use. I am going to go ahead and use my Rachel Ray. This is a 6-quart, I guess it's the stock pot. I'm going to go ahead. I have it in the medium setting. I did not have the, what did I have? I did not have the EVOO, so I'm going to use some butter. And that's about two tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to go ahead and let this melt up in here so that I can saute my vegetables. And I will tell you that on his channel, he mentions setting all of your ingredients out so that you're not constantly going back and forth. That is a game changer, because I was not doing that at first. So let's go ahead and melt this butter. All right, so here is my onion. That looks like a lot more than a half. All right. I like these Rachel Ray pots. So far so good. Can't complain about them. The only thing I do notice is they do scratch up very easily. So you have to be very careful with that. You know, I like my little spoons from her because I can sit it right there like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in, that was the bell peppers and the celery. I'm going to go ahead and saute this. We're not cooking them. We're just going to saute this. Can you see this in that pot? Yes. God, look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and saute this for a little while. Once it's completely sauteed, I'll be right back. All right, guys, it's been about 5 minutes. We got the vegetables all nice and sauteed, and we are going to move on to the next step, which is adding these garlic. Now I've already peeled them, and he said not to cut them up or anything. You just want to break them up, I guess. Well, nope, he put his in whole, but these are some big chunks, so nope, I can't even break them with my hands. So we are just, don't do that at home. We're just gonna drop those in there. He said we don't want to cook them or brown them. We just want to stir them around so that garlicky flavor. And he's gonna take them out, so we're gonna see. I should have left them whole so I can remember what they look like. As a matter of fact, let's go here. I see 1, 2. Help me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got about 6 pieces there. The next step is adding these fire roasted tomatoes. Stir that around and coat those vegetables and that garlic up in there. Now again, I have this on medium heat, using my Rachel Ray pots and my Rachel Ray spoon, because I like it. Okay. All right, can you see that? It's not looking like much right now, but that's okay. I got the faith in AB. He got me cooking over here. All right. So now after we did that, he added in the tomato sauce. I'm going to go ahead and pour that right on down up in there. Now we're going to mix that up. Get everything nice and coated. Boy, I should have left those garlic whole, because they just disappeared before my eyes. Oh boy. All right. We're gonna learn today. So we're mixing all that up. And our next step is to go ahead and add in Okay, so that was 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce. We are adding 1/2. Okay, can you see that? That is a 1/2 a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it on up in there. Mix that up, baby. Mix, mix, mix. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. All right. And you just want to get all those flavors mixed in so they can all work together as one big happy family. And then the last ingredient that we're going to add right now is a teaspoon of the Creole seasoning.
Yes, I did just use a shot glass. Don't judge me.
Mix, mix, mix. All right, so now that we have everything mixed in, those are all the seasonings that we're going to mix for now. We are going to let this sit and simmer for about 20 minutes with the top on. All right, and I'll be right back after these messages. Whoops! Hey guys, I'm back. Guess what? I forgot. We gotta go ahead and add these bay leaves up in there. So I'm doing about 4 bay leaves, only because 2 of them were kind of small. And he did say that you want to make sure those bay leaves get covered because you want to make sure those flavors get submerged into all of that goodness sauce. If it's right on top, you're not going to get none of the flavor. So you want to make sure you mix those bay leaves up in there. Mix them up in there with those garlic cloves that I'm going to lose. All right, let's go ahead and push them down to the bottom. Get down there, babe. Get down there, babe. Now, now we're going to cover it up. And we're going to be back after these messages.
Hi guys, now's a great time to take a moment and hit that subscribe button and also check out that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Let's get back to the program.
All right guys, I'm back. We got about 2 minutes left, 1 minute left for our Creole to finish going right there. So I'm going to go ahead and start my rice. I usually like minute rice, but I have some other kind of rice, a bag rice. So per the directions, we're going to use 2 cups of water. We're going to bring that to a boil. Once that boils, we are going to add 1 cup of rice. Right around the time we finish mixing up the Creole with the shrimp and everything, the remaining ingredients, we'll jump back over here to the rice and add that. And then everything should finish up about the same time. We're also going to go ahead with this cornstarch. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cold water. Mix that up. And this is for what he calls the slurry. How about that? Fancy, huh? So we're just going to go ahead and mix that up to create that little slurry, which is, as you know, a thickening agent. And our timer is finished, so it's about time to go ahead and jump into this pot. So, oh, baby. We're going to go ahead in here and we're going to mix up this sauce. It smells so good, y'all, already. We're going to turn this pot down some. And now we are going to search for those bay leaves and garlic cloves that we put in there. And that one broke up. Y'all remember how many garlic cloves I did? Because I don't. It should be about, what, 6 of them or something? That's 2. Look, there's one. Look, I gotta concentrate here because I don't want to forget nothing. Be eating on my food and then I gotta stop. Which is one of the reasons why he said he take the tail off the shrimp. Because he don't want to have to stop eating or be removing stuff out of his food. I know that's right. Shoot, I'm trying to eat. All right, there's another one. I'm quite sure it's more. See? Yep. And I think I got another leaf in here somewhere too. I'm just going to go ahead and skim over it here. Look, I saw it. Hey, baby, you was trying to peek through there. I thought I wasn't going to see you. I see you, boo. All right, let's see. There's another leaf. I knew it. How many did I have? I think I put in like 4. So that's about 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It might be a half a piece in here somewhere. I think I got all the cloves out. Did y'all see a clove? Oh, right. I got some little pieces up in there, right? Look, there's that little piece. I probably could have left that one in there. I saw you. Where you go? That's all right. It's going to peek through later. All right. If it comes back up later, I'll get it. So as of right now, we got everything we were looking for out, hopefully. And we are now going to add in that cornstarch slowly to thicken up our sauce here. Wait a minute, I don't remember his changing colors. Did it change colors on his video? I don't know. All right, let's just mix this up. I got faith in it. I got faith in you, girl. Baby, let me tell you, it is hot in here. I should have turned the air on. All right. So now that we got that mixed in, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. Oh, I forgot to add salt to my water here for this rice. Why y'all didn't say nothing? For real? That's how y'all gonna do me? Alright. Alright, so now we got that mixed in. And guess what time it is? It's shrimp time. We're gonna go ahead and add that shrimp in there. Let's go on and coat this shrimp. Now these were some big shrimp. When I bought them, this was not the meal that I was planning on making. So I hope that it works out okay. But I saw these shrimp, you know, with the Corona season, my local store was out of stuff when I went to do my regular grocery shopping. And so when I finally went back like 2 weeks later, they had these jumbo shrimp in there and they just looked so good. They wanted me to buy them. And they were on sale for like $3.99 a pound. I had to get them. I sure hope they worth it. They look worth it. Yeah. But I wish I had looking at it now, I wish I had got some smaller ones, and I probably could have got a little bit more, but that's okay. This is kind of like when you go to the restaurant and your mouth be watering for some shrimp meal that they making, and then they come out and you have 2 little pieces of shrimp. You didn't pay $25 for it. All right. I digress. Anyway. So now we got that in there, right? And we are going to add our sauce. That W sauce, he called it. We're going to go ahead and mix that in. I can tell you, these big old shrimps make it a little bit hard to stir. But that's okay, because you... Oh, look at them. They going smalling it up. Smalling it. For real? Smalling. All right. The shrimp smells so good in here. All right. And then we are going to hot sauce. But I don't think I'm going to do the whole thing because that hot sauce did require a teaspoon, but I don't want it to be too spicy because I'm the only one that likes it spicy. So I did about half a teaspoon. All right, so we done mix that up, right? We got that mixed in. So now we can go ahead over here and add in our rice. Once this rice is done, then this will be done. We're gonna let this simmer for about 2 minutes, more like 5 minutes. Oh, you couldn't even see me, could you? Oh, wait, I'm so sorry, but y'all know what I was doing. I told you what I was doing. So after I done went ahead and took the top off, I added my shrimp. I added my Worcestershire sauce. I added the hot sauce. I took out the bay leaves and I took out the garlic. I'm sorry y'all didn't see it. I wasn't even paying attention. I was so busy trying to make sure this food got cooked right. But you heard what I was talking about, so you know what I was saying. Okay, so we are now going to go ahead and let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And that's the same 3 to 5 minutes for this rice to cook. Once this is all cooked, we are gonna go ahead and move over to our bowl so I can show you the finished product. Okie dokie, y'all. It's time for the grand finale. Now, first off, let me just say, that bag rice, let me show you the rice. That bag rice, it's a no for me. This rice here, I do not like that. I definitely prefer minute rice, probably because I don't know how to make rice. And every time I make this rice, it just seems sticky. Like I can't, it's just, I don't know. Well, anyway, we are going to go ahead and plate this up with this little sticky rice. How did I mess that up, y'all? I don't know. But we're going to plate that up, right? And then we're going to go ahead over here. It smells so good. It smells so good. And I'm going to use my little ladle here. Let's see. Can you see me? I'm going to use my little ladle. And I'm just going to pour it right here on the side. Yes, God. You see those shrimp? Baby. And then we are going to top it off with a little bit of parsley. Can't go wrong with parsley, right? All right, this is not fresh parsley. I ain't have fresh, okay? Don't judge me. I'm using what I got. We're gonna, can you see that? No, you can't see it. We just go, hell. Okay? And this is the finished product. I have tasted, and it tastes so good. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it because I don't have any rolls or anything. I'm gonna pair it with a piece of bread. And this is what's cooking. If you liked my video, I appreciate you for stopping through and watching me. If you got to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And ta-ta for now. Bye, guys.